YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video.
He ended up winning, but let me explain to you guys what I was looking at when I first got into the market, man. When I win, it's a bonus, bro. Personality bonus. It makes you more grateful. It makes you more positive. It makes you more energetic, man. So winning definitely has a good impact when you do win in trading, man, for sure.
But today is Tuesday and it's currently about 4 a.m. in the morning right now. I'm not sure, but we just finished trading, and today we got a win, man. We won. It was amazing, man. It's been a while since we won, so it feels good. You know, it was an amazing setup. It was supply and demand. But I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about right after I'm done with this 15-minute run. So let's go, man. 15-minute run over with. Now let's go back inside.
All right, man, so as you guys can see, this is the trade that we took today. As you guys can see, it went up for a lot more. We didn't get out there. We got out right here, a little bit more than a 1-to-1, and it was a $419 win. The reason why it shows right here that I took two trades, it was because when I first entered that trade, I was calculating my risk. Every single time that I enter a trade, I like to calculate the risk for it to be $300, and I calculated the trade and everything. And when I put my stop loss, it came out to be a $350 stop loss. So I was like, I did the calculations wrong. So I took out two of the macros that we had because we entered with 17. So I cut it down to 15 macros, and we were in profit when I did that. So that's why it says $20 win right there. Even though it's the same exact trade, I just took two of the macros out of the trade so we can have a $300 stop loss and not a $350 stop loss. But yeah, man, as you guys can see, he ended up winning. But let me explain to you guys what I was looking at when I first got into the market, man. So London session opens right there. Let me delete this so I can have a fresh look, you know what I'm saying? So first thing we do is look at market conditions. What is the market doing right now? So I look at the market and I see that we are in a small consolidation, but I also pay attention to this, man. I see that we were pushing down, and then I see that we pushed up, and I see we pushed down again, but this low never broke the low of this low. So it came down, but it never broke below that low. And then we go up again, and then we push down again, and this low did not break the low of this low or this low. And we're starting to push up. So what that is telling me is that we do not want to break lows. That is telling me that we want to push up. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes the market can come down and take all these lows and then push up, but that is long term. But I'm a scalper, so I'm looking at price action on what is the market going to do right now. And I see that we're not breaking any lows, so I'm looking for buys. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking for buys because we're not breaking any lows. So when I come into the market, I see that we have a demand right here, but it has already been tapped into pre-London. So I wasn't even paying attention to it because it's already an old demand that I don't even want to look at. I don't want to look at it because it already got tapped. If it wins, it is what it is. I came into the market late, but I also see another demand down here happening. I mean, that's right there just waiting for it to be tapped. So I see the demand right there, and I'm looking for buys. So if the market comes down here, I'm gonna take buys if it gives me a break of the candle towards the upside. So that's what I do, man. That's what I did. The market comes into the zone, it taps the zone, and all I'm saying is I see that we are in the zone, but I'm also looking at this. If it breaks above that candle, I'm going to get in. I will put my stop loss right there. Boom, boom, boom. I'm aiming for a 1-to-1. Boom. And the next candle breaks above that candle. I enter with a $300 risk, $300 take profit. And as you guys can see, it was respecting the 300 EMA very well, which ended up it was worrying me a little bit because we couldn't break above this blue line right there. It was just being respected, being respected, being respected. So I told myself, if we break below this low right here of this candle, I'm going to close my trade because I see that this line is being respected. So what happens is we go up, we break above that line, so that's a very good sign. Once we broke above that line, I won't lie, that gave me a very good it made me feel very confident that this trade was going to be a winner, and that's why I held for a 1.2 instead of a 1-to-1. Because today is elections, I normally would hold up to this high, but because today was elections, I played it safe and I just went a little bit more than a 1-to-1. That's why we have a $400 win and not a $300 win. But I believe this trade went up for like a 1-to-5 or 1-to-4. I'm not sure. Yeah, like a 1-to-5. Just kept on going up. It was an amazing trade, like I said. I was just playing it safe because today is elections. So I wasn't trying to go for nothing crazy. I was just playing defense, not offense over here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this is a trade that we took today. Like I said, it was an amazing trade. I do not see supply and demands happening on London often, but when they do show up, they go for crazy RRs. The only reason why I didn't hold or I didn't leave any runners was because today was elections days, man. But yeah, man, without further ado, I'm gonna let the video continue, man. Morning. I got 3 today.
3?
Yep.
Glory.
All right, thank you. And just like that, man, it's 7 right now. We have now arrived to work. And as always, another day, another dollar, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, when you come to work and you have won in trading already, the day just feels amazing, man. Everything feels amazing. It's almost as if winning in trading makes your day. Like your day is already positive throughout the whole day because you have won in the market. And that's crazy. When you lose, it doesn't really feel, I mean, me personally, I used to feel like shit before when I would lose. But nowadays, I just don't feel anything, man. When I lose, it's like, well, it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get mad about it, but it doesn't like bring me down. I still perform. I still gotta do what I gotta do. But when I win, it's a bonus, bro. It's just personality bonus. It makes you more grateful. It makes you more positive. It makes you more energetic, man. So winning definitely has a good impact when you do win in trading, man. For sure. That's for sure. All right, man. So we made it back home, and we cooked ourselves pasta again. I won't lie to you guys. Couldn't think of anything else to cook, so I'm back with the pasta. Like I said, I'm not complaining, bro. This shit is good. But I was thinking of other options. And honestly, bro, I'm going to just keep it simple. I'm going to rock with the pasta this week as well. Maybe, just maybe next week will be different. But as for right now, I'm not complaining, bro. Pastas are good. And they're cheap to make as well, man. But yeah, we got our orange over there. About to finish this food, man. And I'm going to catch you guys after. I think I'm gonna start adding walking into my daily routine because walking is not part of my daily routine. It's something that I do. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. It's not consistent. But I think I'm gonna add it to my daily routine, bro. Just because every single time that I'm done eating, I'm super duper full. That, like, you know what I'm saying? Since I only eat once a day, I'd be super duper full every single time that I'm done eating. So I'm gonna add walking into my daily routine. 10-minute walks right after I eat is now part of my routine, man. Y'all saw it here first. I'm gonna be doing this every single day now. Every single time I eat, 10-minute walk. You know what I'm saying? And you should do it too, man. You should do it too. But anyways, man, as you guys know, today we won, and tomorrow we're not trading because we only trade 3 times a week. Tuesday, Wednesday we do not trade. Wednesday is for back testing.
which is tomorrow. We're gonna be back testing, and Thursday I trade, Friday I trade. So that's only 3 days. And since tomorrow I'm gonna be back testing, I was back testing gold on the weekend when it comes to the liquidity grabs and 13 EMAs combined together. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then it will make sense tomorrow. But I was back testing gold when it comes to liquidity grabs plus 13 EMA breakouts. So the two combined. And it works amazingly on gold, man. Win percentage is huge, bro. I think I lost like 2 times and won like 10, if not more times, or you know what I'm saying? The win rate is crazy huge, but that's on gold. So I want to test it. I want to see how it is on NASDAQ. So tomorrow we're going to be back testing 13 liquidity grabs plus 13 EMA breakouts combined together. See how it works on NASDAQ, because like I said, on gold it works amazingly, man. So that's what we're going to be back testing tomorrow. And yeah, man, without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and this video is now over.